file or folder. All the data stored on your computer's hard disk consist of files and folders. Files are used to store data, and folders are used to store and organize files and other folders. A file is a collection of data and information stored on a storage device such as hard disk, pen drive, CD or DVD. There are different types of files depending on the type of information they store, like document, file, Excel file, PowerPoint file, image file, music file, video file, etc. And each type of file has its own specific icon. This helps us to identify the type of file by just looking at the icon. A folder is like a file cabinet in which you can keep your files. In other words, a folder is a collection of files. A folder is also known as a directory. A folder can contain many subfolders with files in them. The icon of a folder is different from the icon of a file. Double-clicking a folder icon shows the list or thumbnails of files in the folder. Selecting files or folders. While working with file or folder, the very first step is to select the particular file or folder you want to work with. To select a single file or folder, click on it. To select multiple files and folders, select the first file or folder and continue to select the desired ones while keeping the Control key pressed. Creating a folder. We can create a folder on the desktop or in the File Explorer window. Creating a folder on the desktop. To create a folder on the desktop, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click at a blank spot on the desktop. A pop-up menu appears. Step 2. Move the mouse pointer to the new option. A sub-menu appears. Step 3. Click on the folder option. A new folder icon with the name New Folder appears on the desktop. You can type a name of your choice and press the Enter key or click anywhere outside the icon. The new name appears on the folder icon. Creating a folder in File Explorer. To create a folder in the File Explorer, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open File Explorer by clicking on this PC icon. A window opens. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the New Folder command in the New group from the ribbon. A new folder will get created. Renaming a file or folder. Rename means to change the current name of the file or folder to a new name. To rename a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the file or folder to be renamed. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on the Rename command in the Organize group. Step 4. The name of the file or folder gets highlighted. Type the new name and press the Enter key. You can rename a folder by right-clicking on the file or folder name. A menu appears. Move the mouse pointer to Rename option and select it. Copying a file or folder. Copying a file or folder means making a copy of the original file or folder, either in the same location or in another location without removing it from its original location. To copy a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. In the File Explorer, browse to the location of the file or folder you want to copy. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Select the file or the folder to be copied. Step 4. Click on Copy command in the clipboard group. Step 5. Select the destination location or the folder where you want to copy the file or folder. Step 6. Click on Paste command in the clipboard group. The copy of the file or folder appears at the new location. Moving a file or folder. We can move files and folders from one place to another. When we move a file or folder, it is removed from its original location and placed at the new location. To move a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. In the Browse to the location of the file or folder you want to move. Step 2. Select the file or the folder to be moved. Step 3. Click on Home tab. Step 4. Click on Cut command in the clipboard group. Step 5. Select the destination location or folder where you want to move the file or folder. Step 6. Click on Paste command in the clipboard group. The file or folder is moved to the new location. Deleting a file or folder. In the File Explorer, browse to the location of the file or folder you want to delete. To delete a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. In the File Explorer, browse to the location of the file or folder you want to delete. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Select the file you want to delete. Step 4. Click on Delete command in the Organize group. The Delete File dialog box will appear. Step 5. Click on Yes. The file will disappear from the folder. Recycle bin. All the files and folders that we delete are moved to the recycle bin. If you delete a file or folder by mistake, you can restore it from the recycle bin. Double-click on the recycle bin icon on the desktop. The recycle bin window opens. To restore all the deleted files and folders to their original location, click on Restore All Items button. To restore selected files and folders to their original location, select the files or folders and click on Restore the Selected Items button. To delete all the deleted files and folders permanently, click on the Empty Recycle Bin button.